beautiful soul. Right now we are in the nature and I want to open this video with deep gratitude that I have today, because look at me, God really fed me well today. I ate amazing food and God gave me the energy in my body to cook that food and all the resources, vegetables, cooking gas. I had that and I could enjoy this beautiful meal. And then look at me, like Mother Earth, I woke up with a lot of anxiety, but the way Mother Earth was get ready and told me to prioritize my self-care instead of going towards oh no, I need to do this in my business, I need to do that. No, she was slow down, take care of yourself. And if you listen to the noises of vehicle around, it's because I'm outside. So yeah, anyway, I am super grateful and my birthday is coming up in 4-5 days and I'm super excited for that. I will let you know what my wishes were from God. But something that God is inspiring me to share and Mother Earth is inspiring me to share in this video is that when you look at people and you are looking at them with judgmental eyes, you gotta retrain yourself at how you're looking at other people, which means breaking that pattern of judgment by asking yourself, God, I want to see this person as you see them. Mother Earth, I want to see this person as you see them. And not just person, but in all situations as well. Sometimes we have this frustrating energy around some situations and either we are making other person looking at them with dirtiness, oh my God, they are so dirty and disgusting, or we are guilting ourselves for something that we did. So for example, my recently in the last 3 months I was not in a financial, so many things were going on, okay, and I couldn't pay my rent, and my landlady, she was nice, but then I was okay, she was looking at me in a very disgusting way, oh my God, what kind of girl she is, she doesn't pay her rent. And I was looking at her in the last 2-3 years of me living with her with a very judgmental eyes, okay. And then karma was like that she the universe played in such a way that I was in a position and now she was looking at me in that way. So I was just chanting Hanuman Chalisa and I was like, God, I want to see this situation as you see them. You see this situation. I want to see my landlady as you see her, okay. And not just recently when I lost my mom, I couldn't go home because it was just Mother Earth didn't want me in my home, she didn't want me there, and so many people family relatives were looking at me in a disgusting way, and instead of getting angry and getting in that energy, I just kept praying, God, I want to see everybody as you see them. I want to behave in this way as you would. I want to treat, and we have to, as a collective, we are looking at someone's social media, we are judging them, and this habit is so deep that today when I looked at my mother's old video, I started to even judge her, what kind of expression she is making and all of that. Then that's when I realized, oh my God, what is this constant habit of judging people, and we have to break that habit by asking constantly, God, I want to see this person as you see them. I want to treat this situation as you would treat. I want to show up in this situation as you would show up, and doing it over and over and over again until we are blessed with the attitude of looking at people with the eyes of how God would look at them. So we have to train ourselves by again and again asking, okay, Mother Earth, I only want to see this person as you see them. And when you catch yourself, when you start to do this, you will learn how much judgment you are passing on to other person, and then you do not even judge yourself. You don't judge yourself. Today when I was judging my mom's facial expression and all of that, it was in that moment her come to me and told me like, what are you like even doing? Like, you know, why are you judging yourself like that? Because if I was in your position, you would ask me to be compassionate, and now you are being very unkind to your own self. That's when I realized, okay, you know, I think there is this fly. Yeah, so that's when I realized, no, if I also need to look at myself as God would look at me, as Mother Earth would look at me. Yeah, this was the breaking the pattern of judgment and jealousy by like bringing the higher power, like Mother Earth, you show me how you would see in this situation, like how you would see everything in this situation, how you see other people in this situation, how you want me to treat them. And it's, you know, this kind of purification, the purification that happens by when you keep asking this question, then you are ready to lead other people as well. Because right now so many people who are in the power, they are not with a clean heart, okay? So when this kind of purification, you train yourself to be a good leader, okay? And that happens when with your daily connection with God. You know, you investing your time and energy into chanting, into journaling and building that relationship with God, it's the truest wealth, it's the best investment. Yes, नीचे आओ, यहाँ से बताओ। ओ ले, ये लो, गिव मी अ मोमेंट, बोलो। यहाँ पे आओ आपके साथ, मेरे को 5 मिनट्स दो, फिर मैं आ रही हूँ, ठीक है बच्चे? बस मैं ये वीडियो फिनिश कर लूँ, फिर मैं आ रही हूँ पक्का, तब तक आप इससे खेलो, ओके? Yeah, so book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper level of psychic and intuitive guidance, and also you can get into my 12 weeks of mentorship wherein we will work towards building deeper levels of self-love in our life. And self-love brings, like, you will come emerge in my 12 weeks of mentorship, you will emerge as your most confident, braver, bolder and this beautiful self of you. And if you feel like, oh my God, I'm not good enough, gifted enough, let me show you the magic that you have inside of you. My 12 weeks of mentorship will revamp your entire life, okay? So powerful. Link of everything is in my bio, and you can also donate for my rent, food and bills. That is a link of that also is in my bio. It will support me a lot, and it will be a great energy exchange as well. And yeah, just again want to share like how grateful I am for everything, like, you know, how God like just inspired me to come up and share myself and continue to kept giving me confidence even in the moments of self-doubt. You know, God kept inspiring me to, Mother Earth kept inspiring me. She is amazing. Wow. Hello beautiful soul, I am here to invite you to check out my magic paintings and bring them in your life, because they bring super powerful, positive and high vibrational energies into your life. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother Earth, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, you emerge as a brand new person, confident, bolder, creative, and like, you know, the way you start to move into this world so confidently and bravely, it's like magic and so much divine guidance and peaceful energies as well in your life. The fridge magnets of this painting are available, and you can also hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting for you, which will bring peaceful, calmer, safe energies into your life. Oh my God.